Often we fall back repeatedly on the phrase, I think. But there's a world of alternatives out there waiting to be discovered. Let's explore 10 alternative ways to say, I think. Starting with in my opinion, this phrase adds a level of professionalism and respect to your statements. For instance, in discussions, you might say, in my opinion, this strategy will yield the best results. Moving on, from my perspective, offers a personal viewpoint without assuming universality. You could say, from my perspective, the characters in the novel are well developed and relatable. I believe is another powerful alternative, conveying a sense of conviction. For example, I believe everyone deserves equal opportunities in education, demonstrates a strong stance on an issue. To my mind suggests a thoughtful consideration. You might express, to my mind, the new policy could benefit from further review to ensure fairness. I feel introduces an emotional dimension to your thoughts, making your statement more relatable. For instance, I feel that we should approach this issue with more empathy. Considering a more tentative approach, it seems to me, is perfect. Use it when you're not fully committed to a stance. Like so, it seems to me that we might be overlooking a simpler solution. If I'm not mistaken, adds a layer of humility and openness to correction. For example, if I'm not mistaken, we had agreed to revisit this topic today. As far as I can tell, suggests a careful observation. You could use it in situations where not all information is available. As far as I can tell, the project is on track. Based on what I know is great for when your opinion is informed by specific knowledge or expertise. For example, based on what I know, this method has been effective in other contexts. Concluding with, it's my understanding that, this phrase implies a conclusion drawn from information received. It's my understanding that the deadline has been moved up, requiring us to adjust our schedule. Remember, the way we express our thoughts can greatly impact our communication's effectiveness. By diversifying how we say, I think, we invite more engaging and thoughtful conversations. Thank you for joining us in exploring these 10 different ways to articulate your thoughts. We encourage you to practice using these phrases in your daily conversations and written communications to enrich your expression. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, show your support by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. Your engagement means a lot to me.